Hello students, welcome to Mary Mata High School Mhaswad. I, Mayuri Miss. In English, now we will see the second chapter, that is nature. In that we will see some words. So now see here, first one is nature, N-A-T-U-R-E, nature. What it is? Nature. Nature म्हणजे निसर्ग. Then second one, might, M-I-G-H-T, might, M-I-G-H-T, might. Might means शक्तिशाली. Third, strong, S-T-R-O-N-G, strong. Strong म्हणजे मजबूत. S-T-R-O-N-G, strong. Next, beauty, B-E-A-U-T-Y, beauty. B-E-A-U-T-Y, beauty. Beauty म्हणजे सुंदर. Next, M-O-O-D-Y, moody. M-O-O-D-Y, moody. moody म्हणजे लहरी. Next, smart, S-M-A-R-T, smart. S-M-A-R-T, smart. Next, B-L-U-E, blue. B-L-U-E, blue. Next, green, G-R-E-E-N, green. G-R-E-E-N, green. Next, true, T-R-U-E, true. T-R-U-E, true. Next, ever, E-V-E-R, ever. E-V-E-R, ever. Last, free, F-R-E-E, free. F-R-E-E, free. Understood? Now we had seen the words with their spellings. So you repeat the words behind me. First one is nature. Then might. So nature, might, strong, beauty, moody, smart, blue, green, true, ever, and free. Understood? So you study the words with the spellings. Thank you.